Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I always need to get my caffeine fix. So these findTop espresso spoons have made it to the top of my list of favorite finds. I think they are such a beautiful spoon. Whether you're drinking coffee, tea, even a hot mixed drink, a lot of times you have to add a lot of things to it, whether it's cream, honey, sugar, whiskey. It's nice to be able to stir it and to continue stirring as you're enjoying your drink. They are really the right height. There's other ones that I've used. They're a little too short. You have to put your fingers in your hot drink to fish out this tiny little spoon. So I really like the size of them. I also like how wide the mouth is of the spoon. It allows to really scoop to make sure you're stirring everything in. So it comes in a really nice set of these. They're beautiful, they're high quality, they don't bend easily. They're stainless steel. They fit very easily in the drawer along with your other silverware. It's a nice option to have, and that's my point of view.